Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Mountain America Credit Union credit card PIN. Begin by gathering your personal information. Make sure you have your credit card on hand. Visit the Mountain America Credit Union website. Log into your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you will need to register for one. Once logged in, navigate to the Services section. Look for the option labeled Manage PIN or Credit Card Services. Select the credit card for which you want to reset the PIN. Follow the prompts to initiate the PIN reset process. You may be required to verify your identity through a security question or verification code. Choose a new PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Enter your new PIN carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Confirm your new PIN by entering it a second time. Submit your request for the PIN reset. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your PIN has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Mountain America Customer Service for assistance. Keep your new PIN secure and do not share it with anyone. Once your PIN is reset, you can begin using it right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.